Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to uninstall all the apps in Creative Cloud. So first go over and press Command Spacebar and type Creative, and it should show you Creative Cloud. So click on that. Another option to open Creative Cloud is go over to your application Launchpad and find the Creative Cloud right here. So if you cannot find here, just Command Spacebar, Creative, press on it. It will open up this window. And here, as you can see, I have no internet connection, so let's fix that. So now that we have the internet connection, I can show you how to do this. So in order to uninstall all the apps, you just have to go over here to the Apps panel and then All Apps. Here it will show you installed apps here in the right, and then pick an app. So let's say Audition, click on these More Actions, these three dots, and then uninstall. Then you have to do this for all of your apps right here. So Premiere Pro, Lightroom, everything, click uninstall, and it will be uninstalled immediately from your computer. So thank you guys for watching. This is how you uninstall all apps in Creative Cloud. If you want to see more of this, press subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.